Hi guys, Malaga John on the road with MalagaTransfers.com. Well, normally, as you all know, it's normally sunny on the Costa del Sol, but today, mate, we're loads of rain, bit of wind. It's been non-stop all night long, and it's set to continue all day. We're just coming up to a roundabout in Torremolinos, the statue roundabout, and as you can see in front of us, it's flooded. We're gonna have to be careful as we go through this because the manhole covers lift, and we don't want to be going down any of them. Morning to Alex Hamilton, Steve Harris, Michael Page, Stephen Spears. Mick Thistlethwaite, Karen Shipley, Lisa Derry, Steve Harris. Steve says it's sunny in Manchester. Well, you're beating us to that one today, mate. It's definitely rain here. Charlie Cahill, good morning. Sharon Wentworth, Pam Beecroft. We're in Torremolinos this morning, and it is absolutely bucketing down. Lisa Derry's inland a little bit, isn't our way. She says it's not raining here yet. Morning to Claire Shedlock. On a miserable day on the Costa del Sol, but we've got to have rain sometime, and we're in desperate need of it at the moment. The reservoirs are very, very low, so this will be good news. Morning, Davey Hunt. John Cahill says it's lovely, not raining, west coast of Ireland. Sharon Wentworth, no rain, no swimming pools. Maggie Stoddard, good morning. Karen Hunter, good morning. Brendan Quirk, morning. And Meldrum. Lee Goldsmith. Good one, Mick. The rain in Spain falls mainly on the plane. Carol Holt, good morning. Damien Wigglesworth. Valerie Stott. Pam Beecroft says it needs to stop so I can enjoy the rest of my holidays. Teresa McGlynn says she'll be over in July. Donna Lowry. Marcella Brangers. Betsy Willis, morning. As we're driving along the deserted streets of Torremolinos today. Morning to Natalie White. Got to be careful when you're driving over here in this weather. The first lot of rain makes the roads ever so slippery, and also you've got to be careful of the manhole covers that are lifted due to the water. Morning to Amanda Walsh. Brenda Donnelly. Lorraine Rich. Bill Burns. Jason Jutton. Good morning, mate. Susanna Tierney. Absolutely deserted on the Torremolinos front today. Daryl Hall. Morning. Richard Ramp. Good morning. Rita Ramp, good morning. Sharon Travers, good morning. Someone just asked there about the rules of the motorhomes. I'm not too sure about how long they can stay parked. Not sure on that one. Alan Podgers. Garth Monday. Morning to Chris Hannay. Says good morning from a sunny Dublin. Billy Mark McKelver, good morning. Jason says about the trailers that you can see in front of us, the motorhomes, they're not supposed to be on the streets at night. Well, they're just off the streets there, so I think they're okay. I don't really know the laws on that one though. But as you can see, there's lots of them in front of us here all parked up. Jennifer Wall, Joseph Heafy. Yeah, you can see lots of them now as we go around the bend here, all the motorhomes all parked up. Morning to Ashley Harris. As we're coming up to the end of Torremolinos, up to Parador Golf. Katie Crunch, good morning. Sharon Wentworth, good morning. Ken Pollock. Got Parador Golf Course on our right hand side. Morning Sherry Sherry. Liam O'Toole, good morning. And you can see in front of us the motorway, and just beyond that is Plaza Mayor, big shopping centre. Morning to Wendy Bradley. Mark Wangs, good morning. Good morning to Hilda Stoughton. Fiona Miles, sorry, good morning. Well, I hope you enjoyed your little tour of Torremolinos today. It's not normally the old sunny one you normally have, but it has to rain sometime on the Costa del Sol. If you liked my video this morning, if you like my page, leave a comment and share with all your friends. It'd be much appreciated. Stay safe, everyone, and hope to see you all soon.